headlight restoration. Just looking at the car for some reason. I'm gonna use that ray next. I just put some on there. This pad. That one I haven't touched yet. So here's after polishing it off. It looks perfect in the camera. You can't really see any imperfections, but if you look really closely with your eyes, you can see like tiny micro scratches. There's a before one. I'm just gonna do off camera. You want to be very careful when you do this, because if you heat up the plastic too much, it'll start cracking. I accidentally cracked the right one a tiny bit, but you can't really notice unless you're right up to it. You can buy replacement lenses for it, so it's not completely ruined, but it's pretty annoying because that's original. I should have gone a lot easier on it. See, that's finished. You can't even see any crack. Ended up using some of this stuff. Came with my restoration kit. I didn't use the seal on it though. I just ceramic coated them after. Both of those products will work though, they're basically the same. I couldn't tell a difference in the results.